What is that?
This is the aerograde packing tape.
Doesn't look like that motor's gonna hold on there.
You know, I don't entirely blame you for doubting it. I just kind of like put it on there all hodgepodge just to see what would happen. It's a real big motor, but I think it'll be okay. I mean, it's like sort of stuck, but yeah. The other day ago, Runcam actually wanted to send me some cameras to try out for some of this stuff, so that's cool. So thanks Runcam for the cameras. I want to get some pretty good use out of them. You know one thing I really like about it? It's freaking bright orange, so when I do these stupid experiments and I go crashing my aircraft, I'll be able to find the stupid camera really, really easily and fast.
And you can't lose it in your backpack.
Nope. Is audio rolling? Is the switch still down? Alright, go. So this is actually part 2 of a part 1 build thing. Recently we did a video on this car thing where I built it. You can check it out down below. Right now we're gonna try it. So there's a few more mods to it. I put some plastic junk on it and a bigger motor. I guess we're just gonna try it now. That's not so bad. Hey, a flying car appears.
Sounds so cool. Hold on, hit me.
I'm not trying to. Let me know he gets pretty good stuff too.
I'm doing good stuff.
Oh, I lost the elevator. I think the elevator came undone. I don't think it's gonna buff out. Let's see the damage. Oh, the wings are still intact. That's all busted up. Like, oh, that's pretty done. And the motor's still intact. Everything is pretty good. This probably came out during flight.
You can't even hold it together.
I'm trying to hold it all together, but it all crashed.
Oh my god, I know what happened.
What?
There's a car attached to your airplane.
Oh, yeah, clearly. Well, I guess this concludes this car, but good thing I bought another car. Well, that was fun. But I guess it's time to actually put some wings on it and actually try to fly the stupid car. You ready to see this one fly? So what's your bets? You think it's gonna fly fine? I think it will probably work okay as long as it can take off. Well, that didn't quite work so well. Now, a number of reasons for why it didn't work so well. One, my steering trim was just a little bit off, so when I was trying to drive the car in a straight line, the steering was set just a little offset, so the ailerons would do one thing, and the car wheels would drive it the other direction, so it didn't work out. Now, another thing was, I was kind of theorizing about this, but I wasn't quite so sure, and yeah, sure enough, Sam got it right. It wouldn't take off. Now, the reason why is because of this. This plane is basically like a flying wing, so that means it has elevon control, which is basically elevators and ailerons mixed into one. So to go up, it would basically pull these control surfaces up, and then it would fly upwards. Now the problem with this thing being a four-wheeled vehicle is it has no point of rotation, i.e. when trying to force the back half into the ground, all it does is squat the car further down to the ground. So therefore it would never really be able to take off. So we're going to do this. I'm going to change the flying wing design to canard. So now what we're going to have is, rather than this back half being forced down here, to kind of like rotate the nose, let's see, upwards, we can just pick the nose up with this canard thing right here. Rather than having to move these control surfaces here, we just lift the nose up. So how do you like my roof?
I hate your roof. Get me off. Which slope?
This slope, yeah.
Oh my god, you're gonna die.
Just get a wide.
Wide from back or front? Front?
Yeah, I like that. It looks good. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Oh, you're not going down the slope?
Nah, I'm just gonna shoot off the roof.
Okay.
Ah! Shoot off the roof. I think it crashed.
What happened, bro?
No idea. It like pitched down very severely.
How bad is it?
Not bad at all. I gotta get the hot glue gun. We'll glue it together real fast. Okay, well I think what was going on was the canard was just set a little bit negative. I forgot to check that, so I want to add some more positive incidence to keep the plane from pitching over super severely. So I can just set that with this little trim knob here. And then I have my up and down. So, take two.
Okay.
More airborne. Too much positive incidence. It flies absolutely terribly.
Oh shoot.
I'll turn around for landing. Do an adjustment. Not really.
Yeah, that was great.
Well, that was fun, but I didn't really learn too much from this one, except canards really do suck. But it's probably because of my design, it wasn't the greatest. But the slash actually flew pretty well, as seen in the first part. What was your take on this?
That was really fun.
Yeah.
It kind of worked. You got a good crash.
I mean, yeah, we did get a pretty good crash. And then luckily you missed my car, because I don't really want this to hit my car. So, we still have sugar rockets left over, so that may be in part 3 of this, but that's going to be like way later in like the spring/summer, because it's still kind of cool outside, and I need to do other projects and get them done first. So be sure to go and like, subscribe, or just do what the new end card says.
Subscribe?
Yeah. Stop playing with that.